Are we ready?
For what? What are we doing?
We're singing.
Singing? We're not singing. No. No singing. No
Yes.
singing for smart drivers. Singing.
Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas tree! How lovely are they branches!
No. That's terrible. Thy branches. Not the branches.
What?
Hi, smart drivers. Happy holidays. All the best for the holiday season and the coming year. Wishing you just absolute success, achievement, and empowerment for the coming year. And we'll help you get there if you're going for a license next year. And any questions you have about getting a license, being a safer driver, or getting your CDL license to start a new career in the coming year of 2022, because it's going to be a better year.
Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas tree! How lovely are
We tried not to get her to
the
sing.
branches!
But anyway, wish everybody Merry
Oh,
Christmas.
Christmas tree! I love you. Bye. I don't know.
Have any
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
Have any of you ever
Joyeux Noël!
run an animal over?
What is that about? Running animals over? That's not a very happy Christmas song.
Oh, have you run over an animal?
No.
Santa Claus is coming tonight. Dun 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 dun.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer.
Grandma got run over by a
There.
reindeer.
Be safe.
Walking
Look at
on
the deer
Mama
crossing
has
signs. Don't
Christmas
run over any
Eve.
reindeer for Christmas.
You
All the
can
best.
say there's no such thing
And
as
remember, Pick
Santa,
the best answer.
but as for me
Not
and
necessarily
Grandpa, we
Have a great day. Bye now.
believe.